my name is Amy. Many people have their own role model. Sometimes, people are seen as role models as a result of their talents. Other people are seen as role models because of their minds. Who is your role model? My role model is King Sejong. I have 2 reasons to support my opinion. First of all, King Sejong studied hard. King Sejong had brothers and he studied harder than his brothers. He always wrote books and studied hard. He even wrote books when he was very young. But King Sejong's health wasn't good. Usually, if people are sick, they give up studying. However, King Sejong didn't give up. Even when he was sick, he did not stop reading books. As a result, Korea's science and music became highly developed. I want to study hard and not give up, just like King Sejong. In addition, King Sejong loved his country's people. Many kings did not care about their country's people and they focused on just spending money. So many people starved or even died. However, King Sejong did not make the same decision. He really loved his people and he made many things for them. For example, at that time, many people didn't know their country's language, so King Sejong made a new language for them. Thanks to him, people could learn and use the language. And that was the start of Korean, and people still use it today. In conclusion, my role model is King Sejong. That's because he studied hard and loved his country's people. Thank you for watching my video. If you liked this video, please click the like button.